Hello, this is Ria Garrett from the Pix4D training team, and in this video we will use the zonation and prescription tools in Pix4Dfields. Zonation layers and prescriptions are products of the vegetation index maps. The zonation tool allows you to divide the values of a vegetation index layer into several classes. Prescriptions are added to a zonation layer and are used by smart tractors and farm machinery for variable rate application. Variable rate application saves money and reduces wastage by spraying, fertilizing, seeding the appropriate amount per unit of area. This results in better yield, crop quality, better management, and increased efficiency. This Pix4Dfields project has already been processed and an index generated within a field boundary. Click the zonation and prescription icon on the top right of the window. The zonation tool opens in the left sidebar. Select the input map layer from the drop-down menu. The input map can be either an index layer or the surface model. Set the map detail to either normal or high, and then choose the number of classes in which the values of the index will be distributed. The number of classes you choose corresponds to the number of zones in the output layer. Click Generate. And then, if you are satisfied with the result, click Apply to create the layer. The zonation layer now appears in the list of layers. You can rename the layer with a more meaningful name. On the right sidebar, under Prescription, you can add prescriptions to each class of the zonation layer. For each class of a zonation layer, the average value and the area are given. Based on the vegetation index that you created then classified, and based on the average values of each class, you can define an application rate of a nutrient, chemical, fertilizer, seeds, for example, and for each class. The rate units depend on the farm machinery software in which these prescriptions are going to be used. It could be kilograms, liters, or seeds per hectare, for example. Once you indicate a rate for each class, the software will calculate the total amount that has to be applied to each class and the total for the whole project. Click Save to save your prescriptions for the zonation layer. You can always select the zonation layer later on, change the rates, and save again. To export the zonation with the prescribed application rates to use it in third-party farm machinery software, click the Export icon on the top right of the window. The exported file can also be used on farming management platforms such as AgLeader, FieldView, John Deere, etc. In the Export sidebar, select the Data Files option below Select Export Type, and below Select Layers, check the box next to Zonation. Under Select Export Format, check the boxes to export the layer in the format you need. Finally, click Export. We hope that this video was helpful and see you in the next video.